It was one of those summer days that I couldn't get finished with work soon enough. The forecast models were looking promising for storms developing east of Denver. With much anticipation, I headed east as quickly as I could, watching multiple cells form all around me. When one storm would dissipate, another would strengthen, making an exciting and dynamic chase evening, hopping from storm to storm. I was watching and filming this mesmerizing storm along an empty dirt road for what seemed to be an eternity. The energy draws you in and captivates you. There's really not much else like it. Thank you so much for watching.